Hello everybody, my name is Victoria Volteros Carvajal. I am studying at UNAD University. I'm doing the 8th semester and I'm studying Bachelor in English as a foreign language. This activity is going to be for materials designed for face-to-face environments. Okay, here I'm going to answer some questions that I'm going to appear. So the question number 1 says, how would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environments? Well, I consider that videos can be a useful tool to use into a class, and it has some good things to take into account when using them, right? For example, I can use it through teaching vocabulary, yeah? Sometimes we find some videos in which they explain us useful vocabulary, like for example, things from the house, or professions, or body parts, yeah? Like for this type of things, I would use it. Second, for asking some questions. So maybe there are some videos in which they give us the explanation, and after that there's like the practice time, and it's going to be related to questions. In addition, for readings, I consider that some videos have a lot of text. Yeah? It doesn't mean that they need to be all visual. So taking into account the videos that have some reading parts, I can make my students read through these videos. In pronunciation, I think that this one can help a lot according to this pronunciation, so that students listen and they can repeat what they are listening to. This one is a good tool to help students pronounce better. Soundtrack. Maybe there are some moments in which students just want to be relaxed. So at this moment, it's a good opportunity to put some music that make them relax. And also for conversation. So there are some conversations which students can act out. So maybe they listen to the conversations, and after that they can practice a little bit by themselves. Okay, question number 2. What language skill would you practice by using this tool in face-to-face classes? How would you do it? Well, I think that I can develop all of the skills through a video. Yeah? So here I put all of the skills, the input and the output skills. Well, first listening, because you know that students are going to be exposed to the conversations, to the audio, so of course they must listen to it. And reading, because I told you in advance. So reading is going to be, in this case, like maybe if there is a part in which students can read, so that they read, they repeat, to practice a little bit this. Speaking, because in conversation sometimes we find some videos that give us a conversation to act out, so in this case students could practice like this. And writing, because there are some videos in which, as I told you before, they give us the explanation of a topic, let's say simple present, they explain us how to use it and stuff, or maybe just as a review, and then students can make a writing activity according to this, or maybe a student see a video about any story that doesn't have any speaking part, and they just write what the video was about. So I consider that all of the skills can be integrated when the usage of the videos in class. Okay, next question. Name 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of using videos in face-to-face environments. Well, I didn't put 3 advantages. I decided to put some more because I consider that there are a lot of advantages to take into account. And well, first, that this generation is used to look at videos all the time. So they watch videos through Facebook, through Instagram, to all of the social media. So they are easier for the students to accept. Yeah, so when it's a video, okay, let's see what it is about, right? They are not going to reject it. In addition, it immerses students in the production, as I told you before, like in the output skills, where they can produce by speaking, by writing something according to the video, yeah, and it brings more information. So sometimes the teacher doesn't know everything, so the videos are a good tool so that they can know a little bit more, yeah. Engage the learners. It really motivates students. It makes the students involved into the language a little bit more, to feel more interested on the way of learning. Yeah. In addition, that sometimes some videos bring the world to the classroom. So this one is another good opportunity to help on this. They are sometimes easier to understand according to the person who is speaking, if it's a native speaker, if it's not. And it creates experiences. Maybe it can talk about any real situation so that the students know about it. Okay, now disadvantages. It depends on the topic, but sometimes the students can get bored just looking at a video and that's it, yes? Or maybe it can have some useless information, something that they are not going to use in their lives. And sometimes when they watch a lot of videos, it creates lack of attention, so then their attending spans are going to be shorter. So it's not a good idea to use them all the time. And teacher's job gets reduced. It means that students need the teacher, right? So most of the times, if the teacher is not going to be there, they are going to feel like, well, I'm not learning so much, right? Okay, and finally, that's it. It was everything for this video. I hope you like it, and that's all. Goodbye.